Hello guys, welcome to this video where I will be discussing how to raise mild and severe low blood sugar level at home. Low blood sugar can be a challenging condition to deal with, but with the right knowledge and tools, it is manageable. For people who have diabetes or are experiencing low blood sugar level, or for someone who simply needs to keep his or her blood sugar level in check, there are steps you can take to raise your blood sugar quickly and effectively. By incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine, such as eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and monitoring your blood sugar levels, you can take control of your health and maintain stable blood sugar levels. Make sure you click on the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to my channel. Now, let's dive into this video and discover how to raise low blood sugar level with confidence and determination. Since low blood sugar is just lacking blood sugar, putting glucose back into the system to a level that the blood sugar will rise is all it takes to make it go away. This means you can raise your blood sugar level in the comfort of your kitchen. When you feel any symptom of low blood sugar, the first thing to do is to check your blood sugar level to confirm low blood sugar. Results under 70 mg per deciliter requires you to take action. I made a video in which I discussed the signs of low blood sugar. If you haven't watched this video, make sure you check it so as to identify the signs of low blood sugar. Let's talk about mild low blood sugar level. The most common way to treat mild low blood sugar level is to use the 15-15 minute rule. The idea is to eat or drink 15 grams of carbohydrate and to check your blood sugar after 15 minutes. If your blood sugar hasn't come back to normal, then you have to take another 15 grams of carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are simple carbohydrates. To treat mild low blood sugar level, you need 15 grams of glucose or 15 grams of sugar. White sugar is okay, or 150 milliliter of soda. This is cola, Fanta, and lemonade. Do not use zero or light sodas. This is because our goal is to put sugar back into the system. So the original cola or Fanta or lemonade is what we need to treat mild low blood sugar level. After 15 minutes, if the sugar level is less than 60 mg per deciliter, repeat the process again. In case your sugar level is between 60 to 80 mg per deciliter and your next meal is, let's say, within 30 minutes, eat your normal meal. But in case you still have 45 minutes to an hour to wait before your next meal, it is advisable to eat complex carbohydrate such as fruits, bread, dry biscuit. With dry biscuits, I mean biscuits without filling. And this is because complex carbohydrate absorbs slowly into the bloodstream. In case your sugar is higher than 80 mg per deciliter, then you don't have to do anything again. You may also consider to inform your physician after everything is okay. Now, let's talk about severe low blood sugar. Severe low blood sugar is when the person is unconscious, when the person cannot help him or herself and requires the help of others. To treat severe low blood sugar, all you need is a glucagon injection. Nowadays, it is also available in the form of a nose spray known as Baqsimi. A doctor's prescription is needed to acquire the glucagon injection and the Baqsimi nose spray. Baqsimi nose spray can also be used for children above 4 years with diabetes. This glucagon injection or the Baqsimi nose spray helps to bring the stored sugar from the liver into the bloodstream. Where to administer the glucagon injection do not really matter. Pay attention to the following points. Store glucagon injection in the fridge and also check on the expiring date before administering it. Try not to exaggerate the intake of carbohydrates, as this might later lead to high sugar level. Make sure you also inform your family and friends about the glucagon injection, where it is stored, and how it is used, so that they can help you when you are unconscious. Remember, managing your blood sugar level is an ongoing process that requires dedication and discipline. But with the right mindset and approach, you can successfully manage low blood sugar. If you have any doubt or question, please drop them in the comment section. If you find this information useful, make sure to click on the subscribe button for more diabetic content. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you will get notification whenever I post a video. Also like and share this video so that YouTube algorithm can recommend my video to other people. Bye.